Hello everyone, today is Thursday, May 29th, and I want to do a recap of the core levels. If you're not trading with the core levels, you are missing out on one of the best indicators that has ever been created, the best supply-demand zone type of indicator, but with a twist, as ours recalculates at 10:30. The BWT Core Levels indicator is now available as a standalone indicator. You don't have to buy the auto trader or anything else. You can just buy the core levels. And to kick this off, it's 20% off for the entire month of June. That makes it only $7.95. Details are in the link in the description. Also want to mention that Apex Trader Funding extended its 90% off and 80% on renewals sale another 3 days. So it's good for 3 days. It's a good time to stock up on evaluation accounts. A $50,000 evaluation account is only $16.33. The core levels on the NQ started off selling off at the open. The green shaded area is the range of the first 5-minute bar, which is right here. And the BWT trend bars, which color the bars red and blue, gave excellent signals throughout the day. The sell-off came down to the first to the expected low, which is this red shaded dot in the first hour, and then down to the mid low, and then the not quite to the extended low. And then there was a reversal here after the 10:30 recalculation at the upper sell demand zone, almost to the point of control here, and then back down to the new expected low after the recalculation. And then for the rest of the day, traded between the two zones. So these were all excellent signals based on your bars. I'm going to show this on a 3-minute chart as you get a little bit earlier signals. So this is a little bit clearer without the Globex levels indicator that plots the London session and the regular session open. Anyway, you can see the sell-off here from the upper sell demand zone down to the extended low, almost to the extended low, and then a bounce here. Again, really excellent signals from the BWT trend bars, and these can be your guide for the core levels indicator. We will be selling all of our indicators separately. We just haven't got them all on the website, but the core is available now. It was another excellent signal here on the trend bars, and then traded down to the expected low, and then in between the two sell demand zones, the upper and the lower. On the ES, it was a similar story, a sell-off to the expected low, and just that one trade could be your day. So, you know, within the first hour of trading, you could be done for the day, because if your entry was here on the ES about 59.50 and the expected low was down here at 28.50, that's 20 points in the ES. So that or any portion of it could easily be your day, but there's plenty more trades here. Notice the bounce up to the point of control, the dotted blue line, and then another sell here back to the upper sell demand zone from the point of control. That was a good trade. This was a test of the point of control again, and then back down to the sell demand zone, or the lower midpoint actually is what we aim for here. And both these, this was touched here and then again down to the expected low and a new low for the day, and then back up to the upper midpoint. These are all bread and butter trades between these levels. And then kind of sideways for the rest of the day. Here's what the core levels look like on Renko bars in the NQ. And these are pretty large Renko bars. I did that because it can be noisier. Well, not noisier, but there's, you know, just this range here can be tradable on the NQ with a smaller bar size. These are 80 tick super Renko bars. And for example, if I made this half the size, 88 ticks, let's just say I made this 40 ticks, it would look like this, and there's plenty of tradable moves. So let's just go back here. But what it does is it makes a lot more possibilities for trades. Just this trade from here to here, or here to here, would be a good day, or off the open from here, the upper sell demand zone to the lower would be a good day. Just any one of these swings as indicated by the red or blue bars. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.